And let's see, we can always try to get rows of points. You see that now it starts to get a little bit better because it has better placement over here. Now let's just grab that one plus the next row, and you see that we're kind of stretching it. Actually, the whole thing could be stretched vertically to overall cause the placement to be a little bit more lined up. You see that now we don't have as many rectangles as we had before. There's something happening there, I think, in this area over here. Let's see where that is. This point over here and this point over here. Let's see if we can leave some more room here. That's a little bit better. These two could be maybe scaled out a little bit to, get less of that stretching. Okay, good. And there is a polygon face here that I wanted to get. So let's go to face mode and find where that is. Okay, it's right there. If you notice, it's attached to that one. So let's just get it out of there. Cut tool. And let's move it. Let's get out of there. Cut UV. Okay. Should let us get it out of there. Let's see. Go back to UV. UV mode. And hold on one moment. Okay, let's go to the edge mode. These are a little bit different from one software to the other. I apologize. Double click and on edge mode, and you'll select all those, and let's go to cut the UV tool. Double click, and when you go back to face mode, let's go back to face mode. There you go. Face mode. Face. Oh, there you go. Go to the move tool, and now it's away. Okay, now we're going to put it where I want it on the other template, which is over here on this side. Just so that I have the whole front map there with the other. And now we're going to figure out how to weld those together, which is going to be a very good practice. Okay, let's go to UV mode, and let's take a look at, first of all, let's go to vertex mode. Vertex mode is going to tell you where the UVs coincide so that you can rotate this piece so that it matches every UV so that you can sew them together, okay? So this one, when you highlight this one, you notice that this one highlights. When you highlight this other one, this one highlights here, meaning that this edge over here corresponds to this edge over here. Okay? So there's a few things we can do. I can just either manually move the points, either with the UV tool, kind of move the points to match, the position where they should be. Like that. Then I can go, or I could rotate them. I could have used the rotate tool to put them in place. However approach you want to do. Let's go back to vertex mode. Make sure that the points are matching now. This one is over there. This one lines up with this one. So that's good because that means that they correspond. That they merge on the same point. Let's go in edge mode and just weld this or sew this together. So let's go to the saw UV tool, and just double click there, and just clicking and dragging it will do the trick. Okay, and then right click. Let's get out of the tool and go back to UV and start moving it as you need to. I think this